What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from raeshadbeats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd101 tutorial. And I just want to say I'm back. We are back officially, and we are going to be rolling more of these out. So I'm definitely excited to show you guys what I've been working on as of late. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple melody, like a very simple melody. And we're just going to work on the basics of melody and rhythm. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to go ahead and find the VST that I want to use. I'm going to right click on my sampler. And I think I'll just keep it, just basic. I'm going to use something from Citrus. Okay, so we just got Citrus up. Now let's find a sound that we can deal with. The sound that I'm looking for something a little smooth, so I'm gonna just go for something that I can hear, something that's smooth. So let's try Celestial, see how this sounds. I don't even want to use that. So usually what I do, if I can't find a sound off rip, I'll just click and see which one sticks out the most. I can rock with this. Alright, so right now our tempo is at 140, and also, by the way, we are working in FL Studio 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my piano roll and my pattern, and I'm just going to construct the melody from scratch. And as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm really just treating the piano roll. I'm treating each note, and I'm clicking in as I go, trying to see which one makes sense. So let's do this. Okay, so now from the 1 to 3 we got just this little bit of melody. Now let's continue to keep building off it. And the whole purpose of this video is to show you the simplicity of making melodies. So work on some lower notes underneath. Cool little melody for now. As you can see, from the 1 to the 5, I have just this one melody loop going. And it's cool, but I want to do a little bit more. So let's see if we can let's add an actual counter melody and see what we can add on top of what we have. For some reason the sound not playing. Remember, your metronome is your best friend. And we're gonna keep this counter melody simple. So let's do, I'm just gonna highlight just this little section and press Control B and just let it loop. And then we're gonna change right at 3 these last couple notes, so just to give a differentiation. Another thing, as you can see, I'm changing the sound to see what I like better. Never be afraid to change the sound if you do not, if you're not enjoying the sound that you already have. See if you found something. Alright, this sounds way better. And that's basically it for like a simple melody. And really, it's 2 melodies. So you have the first melody, which is this one. And you got the counter melody. Very dark. So that, my friends, is how you make a simple melody just by clicking in notes and getting them all the way to the 5. And that's all I have for you guys today. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. We would appreciate it. Be on the lookout for more BeatNerd 101 tutorials. We're going to continue to keep breaking these beats down, each pattern, each drum, each 808, and everything that comes with it. So let's keep going. Let's keep working. Thank you guys for tuning in. Rashad Beats from BeatNerd 101 out.